Hello friends, this is a video about the kitchen ventilation program. The program allows you to determine the airflow rate of the kitchen ventilation. Let's look at the program. You can select Performance, Purpose, and type of air supply for the kitchen. Here, the temperature of air exhausted by the general ventilation, supply air temperature, and infiltration air part in total supply airflow are entered. Let's add the equipment located under the suction hood of local ventilation. Enter the name, number, dimensions, and capacity. Select Operation Mode. Equipment, and its position. Let's add more equipment. Now let's add the equipment located outside the suction hoods. Enter the name, number, and capacity. Select Operation Mode and Equipment. As a result, we identified airflow of outer supply air, airflow of infiltration supply air, airflow from suction hood, airflow of general exhaust ventilation. We can define the dimensions of the suction hood. To do this, enter the dimensions of the equipment. And select Position. The calculation report can be downloaded to an Excel file. Let's do it. To save or change the calculation, you can download or upload the project file, respectively. This review is over. If you have any questions or requests, please write to us on the website or on Facebook.